So this is what I had left over from Cooper's barbecue yesterday. 2 pieces of bread I didn't eat and a little bit of the sausage. So I am going to have that for breakfast this morning with, I didn't ever make the pico de gallo yet. So with some tomato, jalapeno, and I'm going to use some of the smoked Gouda. So I'm going to make a kind of like a grilled cheese sandwich with the sausage. Good morning. It's freezing here. Go to Texas where it's warm. Oh, it's not warm. It was 39 degrees this morning when I got up, or when I woke up. All right, it's not travel day. Well, I'm traveling from site 49 to site 54. So it is travel day in that sense. But not big. Oh, I know, baby, it's cold. Yeah, and I got your blanket all covered up with chairs. We're not going very far. However, we are going to go into town. My refrigerator is working perfect. My freezer is working perfect when I'm plugged in electricity. Oh, I just unplugged. I'll have to check it. I'm going to go dump. I took a shower this morning, so my tanks are full. And so I'm going to go dump and then I'm going to go in phone holder. Then I'm going to go into town and get some groceries to put in my refrigerator. My big refrigerator. I'll buy a bunch of meat. Not really. I'll buy a thing of turkey. Not turkey. I don't need your turkey. Yep. She's freezing. I'm gonna get some chicken. Yeah. So. Burr. Burr, burr, burr. We already went up to the office and got our permits switched out. Alright, I'm gonna go dump and then I'm gonna go to the store. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So an update on my refrigerator, because I unplugged and I got to the dump station. I went ahead and dumped, and then I thought, ooh, I wonder if my refrigerator's still on. It's still on. Could I be so lucky that it just miraculously healed itself? I don't know. Somebody had mentioned maybe there was a blockage in the line, and then I thought maybe I was low on propane when I was trying, but I think I switched tanks. I don't know. I will continue to monitor the situation, and before I cross the bridge, I am going to pull over because I did put a fountain drink in there on the shelf, so I'm hoping it hadn't turned over yet. So actually it was that tea that I got yesterday at Cooper's barbecue. So I'm gonna stop right here and go in and check it. Hopefully it hadn't fell over. So I have been to town and I am back at camp and my refrigerator's still on. So cross your fingers it stays like that. That'd be awesome. Yeah. I'll be leery of it for a while, but I'm going to minimally use it for here on out. We'll see what happens. Okay, I got some salad, a bell pepper, some eggs, some chorizo, beef chorizo, and those chicken thighs. So I got these for $4.77. So that is going to feed me a whole lot of meals out of that. And then I got pork tenderloin because Leslie's going to fix a stir fry with that tonight. So, all right, that's what I got. And this is going to go in the big refrigerator. And we're going to keep it hopefully running. And I don't know. Wish me luck. Oh my goodness. Leslie made me stir fry. Yum. And that is egg drop soup. That's kind of funny egg drop soup, isn't it?
Funny looking.
Funny looking. Let's taste it.
It's RV style.
That's good. That looks wonderful. Mmm. Hey everybody, I just wanted to end this video right here because I know it's short and we didn't do much today because it was cold. It's kind of been rainy. I didn't get out much and went to town. That was about it. That was the excitement of the day. So anyway, I'm going to end it here and I'll see y'all in tomorrow's video.